Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this part, we will learn two-dimensional array. What is actually the array? Array is collection of similar types of elements. Okay. Now here we will see two-dimensional array. Array with two subscript is called as two-dimensional array. Means here we are using the two subscript, row and column. It is also known as a matrix. We know that in a matrix there are the number of rows and number of columns. Okay, let's see one example. We can declare this two-dimensional array as, see here is a two-dimensional array or matrix 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the rows, this 0th row 10, 20 and first row 30, 40 and column, 0th column is 10, 30 and first column is 20, 40. Okay, suppose we want to access this element 10, then how to access? Array of 0, 0 means row and then column. Okay, so A of 0, 0 equals to 10. First is your row, so A of I and here is J. A of I, J equals to 10. Okay, here we have declared the int A of 2, 2 means here we are reserving 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 elements means the 4 spaces 1, 2, 3, 4. You can declare here 5 by 5 or n by n and out of this you can use as per your requirement. But in this case there is a memory wastage. Okay, A of 0, 0 is 10, A of 0, 1, A of 0th row and first column is 20. Then A of 1, 0, first row, 0th column 30. A of 1, 1, then first row, first column is 40. Okay, let's say the one example how to accept and display element within a two-dimensional array in matrix. Let's see one example of this. Okay, here is one example. Here we are accepting and displaying the array element. For this it is necessary to do the A of 2, 2. Okay, 2 by 2 matrix. You can do the here 5, 5 or n, n. Okay, I am using the only here 2 by 2 matrix, comma, I, comma, j, 2 subscript. Enter elements of 2 by 2 matrix. Here we are using row also and column also. So it is necessary to give the two for loops, one for the row and one for the column. I equals to 0, 0 is less than 2, yes, correct. Then go here, j equals to 0, 0 is less than 2, yes, okay. Then increment the j and go inside the loop, scan a percentage, single value, okay. We want only 10, okay. We want the value as a 10. So address of A of I value is 0 and j value is 0. So A of 0, 0 is none. Okay, read this value from the user. Okay, then again go to this for j equals to 1. 1 is less than 2, yes. Then increment and go inside address of A of I is 0. Okay, 0, 1. Okay, print here 0, 1. A of 0, 1 is 20. Again go here, j is 2. 2 is less than 2. No, false. So jump out of this for loop and go here. Then I equals to 1. Then 1 is less than 2. Yes. Then j equals to 0 again. Okay, this is reinitialization. We are executing again this for loop for the next row. Okay, next row, but the column is 0 and 1. Okay, j equals to 0. Percentage address of A of 1, 0. Accept the element 1, 0. So 30. Okay, then again go. Then j equals to 1. Okay, then A of 1, 1. In this way you can accept the elements. Okay, for the number of rows and number of columns. Then display the element in a similar manner. Only difference is that don't you hear the address sign, and when you are printing the first row means the A of 0, 1 and A of A of 0, 0 and 0, 1, then we want the new line because we want to go to the next row. So do the printf slash and here, then again go here I equals to 1, then execute j loop for the 1 0 and 1 1, and then close this for loop and close your program. Let's see the output of this program. Compile this program first and then click on a run to run the program. So accept the element of 2 by 2 matrix. Suppose our element is 10, 20, 30 and 40. These are the 4 elements. Okay, here is your matrix. Okay, let's see. We will do some changes. Okay, here do the /n to display this matrix on a new line. So here /n, and also you here space. Okay, do the /t for the horizontal space. Let's check the output once again. Okay, suppose 10, 20, 30 and 40. These are the 4 elements of 2 by 2 matrix. Now see, here is your matrix 10, 20, 30, 40. Let's see one more example of this. Okay, this is same example. Here also we are accepting and displaying the values of array. But here we are taking the input as enter how many rows and how many columns in matrix. In previous example, we have set this two-dimensional matrix, 2 by 2 matrix only. Okay, here we are giving the choice to the user how many rows and how many columns inside your matrix. Then accept I equals to 0, I less than r. Here specify the number of rows. And in the next for loop, it is necessary to specify number of columns. Okay, and here read the value. Okay, only changes is here number of, here give the number of rows and number of columns when you are accepting the value. Let's see the output of this program. How many rows and columns in a matrix? So give here how many rows. Suppose you want 3 rows and 2 columns. Then 3 rows. So do the first element 3 rows and 2 columns. So how many elements? 6. Okay. Okay, these are the elements. Let's do some formatting for this. Okay, here I am using the /t, and here also do the /n for the new line. So your matrix will be look good. Okay, control F now. Two rows, 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. So do the 1, 2, 3. This is my first row. Then this is second. Okay. Display the elements of matrix 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1 at the first row, first column. Okay, means the 0th row, 0 column. Then 0, 1, then 0, 2. Then in the next line, okay, 4 at 1, 0. Then 1, 1. Then 1, 2. Okay. Let's see one more example for this two-dimensional array. We can perform the arithmetic operation on two-dimensional array. We can add the two-dimensional array, multiply the two-dimensional array. Okay, you can do the subtraction of two-dimensional array. Okay, let's see one example for addition of two-dimensional array. I am showing you one example of addition of two-dimensional array. You can also try multiple operations and try the multiplication of two-dimensional arrays. And see, here is one array A of 5, 5 I am declaring the 5, 5, then B 5, 5 and C1 for storing the addition of two matrices 5, 5, I, J, R and C. Enter how many rows and columns in the matrix. See, the length of the program is total 56 lines. Okay, it is a lengthy code, but no need to type every times all code. Okay, you can type only this much of loop and you can copy and paste it. Okay, because here is a repetition of loops only. Here we are accepting the first matrix, then displaying this first matrix. Similarly, we are accepting the second matrix, and displaying the second matrix, and then after this we are adding these two matrices and again displaying the addition. So see, this code is a copy only this code, select, go to edit, click on a copy and then paste this code by using shift insert. Okay, no need to type every time this code. Okay, so first accept the element, okay, then display elements of the your matrix, first matrix. Okay, this is your first matrix. See, enter the elements of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, I am changing this. Enter the elements of matrix A. Okay, suppose this is your matrix. Okay, accept the elements of this matrix. Okay, percent the address of A of ij. Then display the elements of matrix A. Display the elements of matrix A. Display the elements here. Then enter the elements of matrix B. Then accept the elements of matrix B from the user. So here need to give the B. Okay. Then display the elements of matrix B. Here display the elements of the B. Okay. Just copy and paste the above code and change it. Okay. Display addition of matrix A and B here. Okay. This code is for the addition. Got it? Here C1 of ij equals to A of ij plus B of ij. Okay, we are doing the addition in a simple way. Directly A of ij plus B of ij. We know that when we are adding the matrix, at that time we are adding just first matching this first number of rows and number of columns first, and we are doing the addition directly. Okay, but in case of multiplication, there is a changes because we are multiplying the first row and first column. So at that time, here is a formula is a different here. Okay, we can't directly give the here the modification sign and multiplication of two matrices. No. Okay, here requires this formula as A of I0 into B of 0j plus A of I1 into B of 1j and A of I2 into B of 2j. Okay, try this. If it is not possible for you, please write in the comment box. So I will explain how to do the multiplication of two matrices, how to multiply the matrix using two-dimensional array. Okay, here C1 of ij, print the here, just print. See, here is addition. Store this addition in this, okay, because it is a single value, and print here only, and then close your program. Okay, so let's check the output of this. Here I am providing the slash n, and here also give the slash t. Okay, for the formatting. When you are displaying the element, provide here the slash t. So your matrix will goods. Then here slash t. Then click on a compile to compile the program, and click on a run to run the program. Okay, how many rows and columns in matrix? Here I am accepting number of rows and number of columns for the both the matrix. So suppose 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, then elements of matrix is, suppose my elements matrix is 2, 1, 2, 4. This is my matrix A. Okay, you can also try write the first this on a paper and then check it is giving the correct output or not. Okay, then 3, 2, 5, 7. And here is your matrix. And after this, here is addition of matrix A and B. See, when you are using the matrix A, then first element is 2. In a matrix B, your first element is 3. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes, correct. Second element is your 1. And in matrix B, second element is 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Yes, correct. I am formatting the this here give the slash n, and here also need the slash n. After every message do the slash n, compile this program and run this program. Number of rows, number of columns. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is your first matrix. Then enter the second matrix. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is your addition. Let's check it. This 1 and 2. This in matrix A, first element is 1. In matrix B, first element is 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Second element is 2, 3. Output is 5. Okay, it is correct. Okay, you can try the more example. Okay, thank you.